Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1955 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. This is the second series. They had two body styles in 55. Just a killer custom built street rod truck, and I mean gorgeous, guys. Finished in tuxedo black. It's got red leather interior in it. It's got a complete it was a complete frame off restoration. I think it's got 8,000 miles on the truck, and you can't tell. It's just gorgeous. Slick paint. It's got a Mustang II. It's a Heights Mustang II front suspension on it. Got a GM ZZ3 crate engine in it. Really nicely done. You can see it's got a custom rear roll pan. All new oak bed. They've relocated the fuel tank on it. Those are 15-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust, all new glass. Boy, she's just as straight as can be, guys. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it, electric wipers. Sits good, great sound. Truck runs and drives just as sweet as can be. You can see they put a billet grill in it. Updated the headlights. I seen a couple little touch-up marks, you know, just from driving the truck, but that's just really nitpicking it. I mean, this truck's gorgeous. Just beautiful paint. All new glass. You can see the tailgate is functional. Fit and finish is great on the truck. Little rake to the stance. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Again, it is a Heights tubular Mustang II style front suspension on it. It's got a power rack and pinion steering unit, front disc brakes. I know it's hard to see in here. We took some pictures out, so all the pictures are done outside so you can see it. The frame is actually powder coated red, aluminum radiator with electric fans. Again, it's a GM Performance ZZ3 crate engine, Holley 4-barrel, GM aluminum intake. It's got the March serpentine pulley system on it, ceramic headers. Truck's got the easy wiring harness in it. I think those are rain gear electric wipers. And I've got a book on the truck too. I put a picture of it in there. It's just all the stuff that's on it. It's all the manuals for it. Door seams are nice and clean. Love this custom leather. It's got billet trim in it. Power windows. New carpet. It's got this bolstered custom seat in it. Flaming River tilt column with a Lokar steering wheel. It's got a Dakota VHX cluster in it. It's all vintage air too. I forgot to mention vintage AC. Really, really nicely done truck. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. It's got a B&M converter. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a GM 10 bolt rear axle in it with leaf spring rear suspension. Yeah, and they put a custom fuel tank in it. I am going to be able to get down here and show you underneath a little bit and move it a little better. Of course, it's dark under there, so we've got photos of all our vehicles underneath. Again, a reminder, make sure you're looking at everything on southernmotors.com. A lot of people grabbing our ads or photos, putting fake prices on stuff, trying to scam everybody. Make sure you're on southernmotors.com. Really nice dash. I mean, they've done a beautiful job in here. Custom rearview mirrors. Air blows cold. Yeah, the frame's all, you see it's all powder coated red. Everything opens and closes real nice. Great sound. 8726 on your odometer. Again, all your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. I mean, it is just a nice truck. Power windows. Custom brake lights. That is a killer truck. No radio delete. Everything works in here. That's your, I know it's hard to see. It's got, yeah, there you go. It's got all the vintage controls. It, again, air blows nice and cold. Electric wipers. Updated headlights. It's got LED turn signals on it. Okay guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.